If you're doing business online, in fact, if you're doing anything online, you've got to be able to share your message in a really clear and compelling way. There's a lot of noise out there and it's getting harder and harder to break through and be heard. On top of all that, we've got a worldwide pandemic, social unrest, and here in the US, the most important presidential election of our lifetimes. So I guess you could say there's a lot going on. And that's why I want to show you how to use video as your megaphone so you can break through the clutter and get your message out there in the most powerful way possible. So starting on Monday, October 5th through October 11th, I'm doing a 7-day Your Voice Matters video challenge. You can sign up and get all the details below. Now, this isn't your run-of-the-mill, let's do a bunch of videos video challenge. This is really unique because it's your chance to really share your message and what's important to you. So I'm going to show you the tools you need to get your message out, and I'm providing the platform where you can share your voice in a safe and supportive space. What you share is up to you, but we will have daily prompts like, what has 2020 taught you? What keeps you going in tough times? How do you want to make a difference in the world? But this is your challenge, so you can really talk about whatever you want. You want to share your mission or manifesto? This is your chance. You want to talk about a cause or charity that's near and dear to you? Go for it. You want to just vent about politics? That's fine too. I'll provide the tools and tips you need to make your message heard, and you can post your videos in our private Facebook group where there will be absolutely no bullying, no BS. All voices and opinions will be respected within reason. Of course, everybody has to play nice. In addition to having a safe space to post your videos, you'll also learn how to clarify your message for maximum impact, get more video views on your videos, use the right tools to share and spread your message, set up your YouTube channel for success, get more confident and comfortable on camera, make your Facebook Lives more engaging, tame your tech, all the things you need to get your message out. So grab your virtual megaphone and join us for the Your Voice Matters 7-day video challenge starting on October 5th. It promises to be a powerful and fascinating forum where we share what matters to us most. So sign up below and we'll see you there. Thanks.